HTML text editors. Notepad++. Subline, Vim etc. HTML text editors. HTML files are in text file, so we need to create HTML file. For this we can use any text editors. Text editors are the software that allow us to edit in a written text. Therefore, to create a web page we need to write our code in some text editor. There are different types of text editors like Notepad, Subline, Vim etc. available which you can directly download, but for beginner, the best editor is Notepad++ for Windows or TextEdit for Mac. Let's use Notepad text editor download if you don't have. I already have, so now I am going to open it. Press Window+R and type Notepad++, wait for a second.